Hello, my name is Gonzalez, and today I will be showing you what I learned from Intro to Computer Science. So at the beginning of the semester in our first lab, we were asked to make a Scratch program so that he can run around in his box once. Well, the way I designed it the first time was like this. I had to manually check how many steps it took to get to the edge, and then turn it around, and then check again how many steps it takes, turn it around, and then do it all the way around. Just like that. It works, but it's just disgusting. It takes too long and it's really gross. So after I entered the computer science, I have better computer logic and a better understanding for efficiency, so that I can make Scratch do the same process without having to check for steps or anything like that. So here it is, really clean and simple. Boom, runs around, and he can repeat as many times as he wants, or as little as I want him to. So I would say I was able to do this in 1/10 of the time, and it looks a lot more clean. Here's another Scratch script I created to further highlight what I learned in CS. In this one I use iteration, if statements, different methods, and make it all work together. So by using iteration I can make Scratch walk around. So by clicking go. And with if statements and other, I can show interaction between the objects. So here I go, and 8. Oh, rude. But anyways, so I was able to use iteration, different classes, and if statements and make it all work together. So this really highlights what I did in computer science, because that's how we program and what it's all about. And also I use modular programming, so it's not all piled up and it looks a lot better. So after all said and done, out of all the possibilities of what you can do with computer science, what I really want to do is become a software engineer / developer. So I created a little Scratch script to kind of show what software developing is all about. So let's say I work with a company and they need me to find out the statistics for revenue, spending, and profit for the day. So I create a script and I can see. So Scratch does total revenue today, 50,000. Scratch does total spending, 17,000, and Scratch says the total profit, 33,000. So of course it won't be as easy and it'll be a lot more complicated, but I think it really highlights what it's all about. So I would like to work for a big company such as General Electric, Tesla, or Lockheed Martin, and develop software to make people's lives easier, increase efficiency, and just have people enjoy what I create. And although I would like to be a software engineer, I'm still very early into my computer science career, studies, and I can always change my mind. After all, I never mentioned that logic programming could be so fun, such as with Prolog. So after my 4 years of college, I could always end up in the field of artificial intelligence. You never know.